right way to sneeze. Written by Curtis Norris. Illustrated by Willy Wonka. Act 2. A loud sneeze made V turn her head. Who was that? She wondered. And it turned out it was me and V's classmate. V came over to her classmate and asked me, "Why didn't you cover your mouth when you sneezing?" "Oops, I forgot. Next time I remember to use my hands," Ming answered, shyly smiling. V shook her head. No, using hands is not right." Ming's face was full of question. V gently explained, "If you do that, the bacteria will cling to your palm, and it will transfer to the object you touch. It's the easiest way to spread out the virus." V continued, "You should use a tissue to cover your mouth when coughing or sneezing. Then throw it into the bin and wash your hand." "But if you don't have a tissue, you can cover your mouth with your elbow. Cough and sneeze. Elbow, please." Finally, when coughing or sneezing in a crowded place, you should take a few steps back and sneeze downward to avoid sneezing at someone's face, V said. Ming nodded. Thank you, V. I remember to cough and sneeze properly to protect myself and everyone. That's the end. Thank you for listening. Bye.